21st August 2022 to 20th September 2022. 21st August 2022 to 20th September 2022. Election of CWC members and other bodies by the AICC members. During the plenary session, date to be announced later, preferably in the month of September, October. This is the election schedule. We already passed 3 resolutions. The CWC is deeply distressed to note the multiple challenges that face the country and the all-round failure of the Modi government in dealing with these challenges. In fact, the catastrophic policies of the Modi government have exacerbated the situation and have placed enormous burdens on the people of the country. CWC, alarmed by the rapid deterioration in the security of the country, both external and internal. Nearly 18 months after the clashes in Ladakh, in which 20 soldiers lost their lives, Chinese troops continue to be in occupation of Indian territory. Nor have we been able to recover our old positions. The aggressive posture of China and unabated infiltration by Pakistan have resulted in a dramatic deterioration of the security of Jammu and Kashmir. After the changes in the regime in Afghanistan and the takeover by the Taliban, the situation is even graver, but the government remains oblivious or in deep slumber. Terrorist attacks have increased and both security forces and innocent citizens have lost their lives. The administration of J&K, or whatever goes in the names of administration, is incompetent, paralyzed and in a shambles. The way forward is restoration of full statehood and holding democratic elections. In other parts of the country, notably in Assam, Nagaland and Mizoram, there are growing threats to security. Interstate disputes have flared up, suddenly driving fear in the minds of the people living in the border villages. The Naga peace talks have suffered a serious setback due to the ham-handed approach of the Modi government. Drug trafficking has assumed monstrous proportions. The seizure of 3,000 kgs of heroin at Adani Port, Gujarat, following reports of another large consignment that has successfully imported into India, give an indication of the huge dimensions of the illegal trade that seems to have flourished under the watch of the Modi government. The continued side of the economy is a matter of great concern. After the sharp decline in 2021, the Modi government boasted of a V-shaped recovery. All signs point to an uneven and struggling recovery in different sectors. The jobs that were lost during the recession and the pandemic had not been recovered. The micro and small units that were shut down have not been restarted. Millions of families face the twin hardship of unemployment and high prices. The agitation by the farmers against the 3 black laws on agriculture continue after 10 months. A government imbued with arrogance has refused to engage the farmers in talks and has stood as a mere bystander while the police and rogue elements in the BJP had unleashed violence upon them. The tragic incident at Lakhimpur Kheri is a clear example of official support to the attempt to suppress the voice of the farmers. The refusal of the Prime Minister to condemn the brutal murder of the farmers and to sack the Minister of State for Home Affairs have shocked the conscience of the country. The Congress party has noted with the grave concern the notification issued by the central government empowering the officers of Central Security Forces to search any place and arrest, as also search any person in the purported exercise of powers to prevent cognizable offence under any central act. This is a dangerous encroachment on the exclusive power of the states and the power of the state police. The Congress party will consult all stakeholders and other political parties as well as state governments and formulate a course of action to compel the Modi government to repeal these notifications.